Hello everyone. How are you doing? Today channel, Sreyoun is going to present you about the most famous Thai actresses Kimberley. Kimberley Ann Walthamys Timsuri was born on January 22, 1992 as a Thai actress and model. She made her breakthrough in acting career after she played the role of Nam in the series For Hua Jai Hang Kun Kao, Four Hearts of the Mountains, for the first part of the series Thar Himalay, where she was paired up with Adicharcham Nanan. She is currently seen on Channel 3. She is of German, Spanish and Thai descent. Her mother is Thai, stemming from Chiang Mai, while her father was German-Spanish with Ph.D. in law. She has two older brothers and one older sister, Thomas, Danielle and Jennifer. She is 1.71 meters and she is 54 kilograms. She graduated bachelor degree at Siam University in 2018. She has three best friends such as Arasaya Spurbund, Margie Rasri Balenciaga and Benjamin Ardner, Bo. She isn't married but she is in a relationship with Mark Brian Superhot. Kimberley Ann Timsuri, also known as Kimberley Ann Walthamys, is the half-Thai, half-German actress who entered the Thai entertainment industry in 2009, modeling and filming music videos. She finally made her debut appearance in one of Channel 3's single quote's hottest and hit TV series of all time, For Hua Jai Hang Kun Kao, which aired in 2010. In this series, she took on the role of Nam or Thipthara, a warm-hearted and compassionate doctor. The sweet-faced Anak has garnered hundreds of thousands of fans from all over the world since then. She has rapidly and continuously improved on her acting, impressing fans and directors alike. And with the help of her manager, Numpia Art, Kim has established a name and reputation for herself in the industry. In the year of 2012, Kim and her co-star Mark Brian Superhot became well-known and loved in their roles as Chaim and Kuntam in the remake of Punya Chakon Krua 2012. Soon after, the media gave them the title Kujin, and they are still one of the hottest and most popular on-screen couples today. Kim is one of the most sought-after actresses of her generation. Her dream since childhood was to become an actress, and she has endured many struggles to enter the industry, and to get to where she is right now. Kim is known as a sweet, vibrant and bold young actress. Now she's taking BA of Arts. Kim is one of the few actresses who has chemistry with all her co-stars on screen. She loves flowers. She buys them and arranges in her home every week. She is a huge foodie. Her co-stars always make fun of her for eating always. She can't control herself in front of food. Acclaimed veteran actress, Ann Thongprasam, also known as the Princess of Thai Entertainment, expressed that she believes Kim is going to take her place in the future. Ann also said that Kim reminds her of herself when she was younger. She's told others that she sees herself in Kim, and that she believes that Kim can achieve the same level of success as she has. Ann has publicly praised Kim on numerous other occasions, and her adoration and admiration for Kim can be seen by her casting Kim as the first and only younger generation actress to star in her Lakorns as of 2015. Kim is also the first and only younger generation actress to star alongside Ann as one of the leads in a Lakorn, Abrak Online. As of 2015, Kim has been in 3 out of 5 of Ann's produced Lakorns, Punya Chakon Krua 2012, Abrak Online and Pyong Chai Kon Ni Mai Chai Puwizd. Fellow actor and good friend, Alex Rendell, also compared Kim to the talented list actress, Ann. He stated on a live show that when Kim acts, she doesn't care about her image and that she performs at a completely different level. He believes that one day, Kim will also become someone like Ann. James Ma, Kimmy's co-star in Pyong Chai Kon Ni Mai Chai Puwizd and good friend admires Kim. He said in an interview, "Well, I was impressed with her from her first Lakorn Thar Himalaya, because I feel that she's very beautiful and I have not really seen an actress who has international or Western feel, so I like her. When I met her in person, from the first day till now, she is the same person. She's very friendly and straightforward. Good point in her is that she's a good friend. We discuss about anything." Film actor Ananta Everingham praised Kim a lot after meeting her on the set of Mafia Lured Munkern. He said that because of her huge aura, he became so nervous and therefore didn't know what to do besides to joke around with her. Ananda later praised Kim again saying, "I'm glad to work with Kim. because her acting style is not fixed. Kim learns very quickly and quick to adapt. Sometimes, I went off script, but she can pull me back into it. When Kim grow up, she is becoming more beautiful. She is natural. I feel very comfortable. She is adorable naturally. She didn't even have to try to be cute. Another translation of the interview: I'm so happy that I met someone like Kim that isn't too much of a perfectionist when it comes to acting. If she was, it may be harder for me. But Kim is quick, information comes quickly, she adjusts herself quickly. Like sometimes I like to make up lines, and she knows how to stop me and make me follow the lines. And now Kim grew up and became a beautiful woman, who isn't arrogant, who is always natural. It makes me comfortable, because Kim is a lovely girl who isn't forcing herself / trying to be lovely. I think when I'm with Kim, I'm more concentrated, because it's clear that we send each other the emotions instantly. When Kim is acting someone who is pleading for something, she gives the right emotion, she answers to what I do. When I act with her I'm really comfortable. While rehearsing a kissing scene for Mafia Lured Munkern, Ananda was only supposed to kiss Kim on the cheeks, but once they filmed that scene, Ananda actually stole a kiss from Kim, shocking Kim for real. Ananda claimed that he kissed Kim on the lips to make the scene more believable. On the 3 Sock mini interview show that Ananda and Kim attended, Ananda said that if Kim was to play Anik in a movie, he'd star in that movie no matter what it's about. Ananda also said that he was so impressed with Kim's performance in Mafia Lured Munkern that he told the movie theater chains he would be very happy to pair up with her in a film. That's all about Kimberley. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please subscribe, like and share to channel Dance Sreyoun in order to get more videos. Thank you.